So do you want to show everybody how you colored?
So, so I chose this one.
So it's 1 part to the whole, right?
So that's a
it's
1/3?
1/3, because there's 3 sections. Right, show me this one.
1/4?
Because it's 1 out of
4.
Exactly. And what about this one?
1/2.
1/2.
1/2.
Exactly. So it's 1 out of that. So what I did before we went ahead and started this assignment is I colored some, but I colored them differently than you. So let's go ahead and compare and contrast. All right. So if we're looking at these, what's the same about them?
This is circle, half,
Okay.
half.
Half. So right here I have some extra note cards, and I want you to help me determine, okay, if we're looking at the whole, how many we had, how much pie we ate, and how many pieces there were. So which one of these top 3 do you think would match this one?
2, 2. 2/2. 2, 2.
2 over 2? But do we eat the whole thing? Yeah. So if we ate the pink and then we ate the pink, we ate the whole thing, right? So this is 1 whole, right? All right, so I went ahead, I was super hungry. I ate a lot of pie, right? So how do these two compare?
They both have like the same numbers, the units.
The same units, okay?
Like total.
Okay, so how many total is this?
This is 1/3.
How many pieces are there? 1, 2,
3.
4, okay? Fourths. It's also called quarters, right? Yeah, so I colored how many? Out of the total.
A third.
2, actually 3 out of 4. That's close. All right, here's the last one.
And this one has the same total as well, like these two kind of, except different total. This is 3. This is 4.
So that goes for that one.
Half third.
Exactly. Now, one more thing that I want to do, let's go ahead and push the thirds aside, okay? We don't have to look at those anymore. All right. So we're going to keep the quarters, okay? So let's actually go with this one, right? We have these two ones right here, okay? So we have 1/2 and 1/4. Now, what's the difference between the two?
In total, they would have a different unit, and this one's only cut in half. This is cut into 4ths.
How can we make these two images match?
We could put one in between here.
But we would still have 2 colored, right? So how can we change this one instead? How would we do that?
We would color it like this.
How many do we color? Let's see. Let's line them up, okay? So here's a piece and here's a piece, right?
Okay.
So if we were going to color them, okay, how many more pieces would we color to make them match?
Only one more.
Only 1 more. So even though this is fourths, quarters, could they possibly be the same? Yeah, so let's just let's pretend that we colored this whole thing, okay? Now it's colored in. Are these the same? But they're different lines.
It doesn't matter about the lines?
Exactly, it's how much they are similar or how they're different. Can we borrow the thirds real quick? And any of them. Just one of them. All right. So now, if we pretended this line went all the way down, and this is a whole pie, and this is a whole pie. If this line went all the way down, which one got eaten more of? Exactly. Why do you think that is?
It looks like it has a bigger space.
So this part matches this, right? We can see that those are the same. This part goes beyond. If we were going to add this over here, that means that was filled in. Do you see the difference? So they can still be circles and they can still be cut up, but it's how many pieces total and how many were used. It's called parts per whole. What do you think about that? Is that kind of helpful?
I like that
Well, thanks everyone for joining us. We hope you have a great day.